How to fix Wii_uncorrectable_ error while streaming YouTube in Google Chrome browser. Here are some useful tips that would allow you to resolve the Wii_uncorrectable_ error on your Windows 10 PC. 1. Check if you installed KB4541335 update. If so, remove that troublesome patch. FYI, Windows 10 KB4541335 caused new problems, high CPU usage, for some other users as well. 2. Get all the latest updates with Windows Update. 3. Run chkdsk command, chkdskc/f, as admin. 4. Disable overclocking in BIOS. Hint, use the default option. Also disable Turbo Boost feature in BIOS if any. 5. Update device drivers in Windows Safe Mode with networking. 6. Perform a system restore. 7. Reseat and install memory, RAM. Warning, do this only when you've removed the power cable safely and completely. Moreover, run Windows Memory Diagnostics. 8. Fix MBR and system file using Windows 10 installation disk or ISO file. Commands: bootrec.exe/fixmbr/bootrec.exe/fixbut/bootrec.exe/rebuild. Plan B: ren bcd/bcd.old/windows/1enus/sg/f all 9. Disable additional audio devices in Sound and Device Manager.